What's up, guys? Good morning. It is about 8:15 right now, and I'm heading into work to work on those last two wheels. So, see you when I get there. Alright, what's up, guys? So I just finished up the last two wheels and they're looking really good. I did scratch off some of the gold paint, but right now I'm pulling my car into the bay here in the garage. I'm gonna polish my exhaust tips and then try to shave my front fenders so that I could roll them and pull them a little bit today. So I might be getting access to my friend's fender roller. Hopefully he hits me back. He told me last night he can get it for me, so we'll see. But here we go. Alright, let's check these gross boys out. Oh yeah, those are disgusting. I think I could probably clean out the inside too, but I'm gonna be using this tool, and it files like this, so we'll see. Looks a lot better. I'm gonna polish the insides. I have a tool, I just need to get a drill. But yeah, those look so much cleaner. So sweet. And then on to the next part, which is shaving like that material that's bent up. And because right here fucked up, so I gotta even it out a little bit. So still can't see it, but right here I shaved it down so it's like pretty much flat, so when I roll it, it'll just roll right out. And then this side I kind of had a little fatality right here. Focus. Yeah, right there. The thing came up around and scratched it, so. But that's actually like rolled right there, so I didn't need to do too much there. But I shaved it here, so it's like flat. So alright, now for the exhaust portion. I'll show you guys that because it's pretty quick. Now it's all shiny in there, so heck yeah. Alright, so all the videos I was doing with the wheels were with the GoPro, so I'm gonna use my normal camera and show you guys what it looks like. They look a lot better. Alright, so I just put the new wheel up to my car and I found a good angle to where it looks pretty real as on the car and it looks so good. So I'm going to give you guys a peek. But now I'm going to get on the road. I might just lower the coilovers all the way, put the new wheels on, because I'm bringing 2 home with me because I'm going to get those 2 tires replaced. I'll show you what those look like right now. Terrible camera wear. Nothing right there. I mean, I could drive on it if I really wanted to for a little bit, but nah, but compared to that. So I'm going to replace 2 of those and then test fit them on the car. So hopefully it goes well. And hopefully I can get a fender roller. I might just post online, see if anybody in the area, local car group, has a fender roller I can borrow. But I'm gonna go get some lunch, leave work, and see you guys later. Lexi, no. Hey, Copper. Alright, so I'm about to eat lunch. The guy with the fender rollers actually has the fender roller. When he said he didn't have it, he meant his car. Because I asked him earlier on if he had his car back yet. He blew up his transmission in his Subaru. But so he doesn't have that back, but he's got the fender roller. So I'm gonna eat lunch. I'm gonna go probably pick up some oil from the store because I gotta change my oil today. And then hopefully be able to pick up the fender roller from him and roll my fenders. So stay tuned. I think I'm just gonna turn this into a kind of a Saturday day like vlog because I'm just getting a shit ton done. So might as well just make it a vlog and not make a bunch of separate videos. But so it's 12:30. I got to work at about 8:45, left at 11:30, and now it's 12:30. I'm back home, about to eat lunch. Some really good food. It's this local place, Smoking Buns. They do really good wraps and decent fries for pretty cheap. So that's kind of my go-to if I'm ever at work on the weekends because it's really close. So, all right, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, this is not water. This is for my seafoam. Well, this is seafoam. So, we're gonna go do this one first. And then put a third in the oil. And a third in the gas. Go dry for about 10 miles. And then change the oil. So. All right, I'm gonna get driving so it doesn't stink up the garage. All right, I just got back from the drive and she's still smoking a little bit. Some of the faces I was getting were hilarious. People were like, "Oh my God, this car's broken." All right, so now we changed the oil, and hopefully that fender roller will be in. So we'll see. Alright, so I decided that I'm going to open this beer and drink it while I wait for the oil to stop dripping. So, cheers. I am 21, by the way, and my favorite beer is Two Hearted. So, just a little known fun fact about me, I guess we could say. I think my cat's trying to sneak out the door right now, so let's see if we can catch her. We gotta keep an eye on her. I don't think she'll run away, but shit. I lost track of my cat. Oh, there she is. I think she really wants to run. I might have to stop her. She's got ambitions. She wants to get out of here, but she's not. Oh shit. Nope, nope, definitely not. Alright, hold on. Hey, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm gonna publicly apologize to Lexi. I'm really sorry about that. But she was going under the car and she likes to lick things, so I didn't want her to lick the oil. Gotta do what you gotta do. What's up, Copper? Hey, Copper, come here, buddy. Alright, so I'm gonna bring the pets back in, and I think I can undo the oil cap. Damn, my eyes are blue as hell today. Alright. Alright, so I'm about to take off the filter, which is right there, and it's really fucking hot. I got some gloves on, just so I don't have to deal with getting oil in my hands, but alright. Oiled filter. Let's try not to burn myself. Alrighty. Nice and easy. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to spray the brake cleaner on. Alrighty. Should be good. What's up, Taylor Ray?
While we're doing that,
dude, look at this. If I don't give my cat attention for like 10 minutes, she freaks out. What's up, Lexi? Are you mad at me? A little bit? No. No, sorry. Oh yeah, I remember my 14 millimeters. That's I always clean it after it gets oil on it. Alright, by the way guys, I want to apologize if sometimes it's really like kind of a blurry shot because my camera isn't like face focus or autofocus like that. So I have to do it by hand, so sometimes if I like get up close, far away, then it goes out of focus. But I just want to give you guys a heads up I'm hoping to get like a mirrorless camera in the next few months, but they're kind of pricey, and I'm kind of trying to spend a lot of money on my car right now, so. And save it for a house as well. But I'm gonna tighten it down, fill her up. I'm gonna just do this technique and see how it works for me. Honestly, I think this is the best way of filling it up, so I'm probably gonna keep doing this from now on. Goodness gracious. F me, gosh darn it. Damn, I need to detail my engine. My engine's so dirty, it's kind of embarrassing. Oh, grossness. It's not like my car's fast or anything, so it doesn't really matter, but still. Come on, Steve. Alright guys, I got it all done, all cleaned up. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because he still hasn't messaged me about the fender roller. So I think I'm just going to save that for another video. And it's going to be a longer video too, so I don't think I was going to throw it in the vlog anyway. So I'm going to end the video here. Remember, if you guys are into stickers at all, boostedstickers.com, SlowLex07, use the code 15% off with SlowLex with 2 capital L's. So S capital L O W capital L E X 07 for 15% off at Boosted Stickers. So you can create your own. I think I'm gonna give them an idea of a sticker to make. It's caution, like you know, for buses. I think it says caution stops for railroad tracks. I don't mind to say caution slow for railroad tracks, and maybe have like a picture of like a little picture of a low car, but we'll see. So that's the video. Oh, thanks for sticking around, guys, for my whole vlog. Got the wheels done, oil changed, fenders like ready to roll and pull, and I clean up my exhaust. So hope you guys have a good day, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.